COVID-19 contact tracing app Arogya Setu has got embroiled in yet another controversy, and this time it is about the ambiguity over the creator of the app. In response to an RTI query, the National Informatics Center, which designs government websites, claimed that it did not know who created the Arogya Setu app. Interestingly, Arogya Setu's website shows that the app was developed by the NIC and the IT Ministry. The complainant in the RTI request had sought information on the origin of the Arogya Setu app, details on proposal and approval along with the names of companies, people and government departments involved in the creation of the app. National E-Governance Division of the NIC, in its response to the RTI, reportedly said that they do not hold the information relating to the app's creation. Ministry of Electronics and Information and Technology also did not reply, and National E-Governance Division said that the information sought in the RTI does not concern them. The Central Information Commission, or the CIC, then described the department's response as extremely preposterous and issued a notice asking why an action should not be initiated against them for obstruction of information and providing an evasive reply. The CIC's interim order was issued after Saurav Das, RTI activist and member of the National Campaign for People's Right to Information, requested an urgent hearing. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, or MeitY as it is called, then stepped in to issue a clarification stating that the Arogya Setu application is a product of the Government of India, built in collaboration with the best minds in the industry and academia. Abhishek Singh, who's the CEO of MyGov and Digital India Corporation, said there is no confusion over who created the Arogya Setu app, as National Informatics Center and Information Technology Ministry have made it along with private partnership. The Central Information Commission has now issued the notices to Chief Public Information Officers, Ministry of Electronics, National Informatics Center and National E-Governance Division, seeking to know as to why penalty under Section 20 of the RTI Act should not be imposed on them. The Commission has issued show-cause notices to S.K. Tyagi, Deputy Director and CPIO, D.K. Sagar, Deputy Director, Electronics, and R.A. Dhawan, Senior General Manager, HR and Admin, and CPIO NEGD to appear before the bench on 24th of November of 2020 at 1:15 p.m. In an official statement, MeitY has then said that it is taking necessary steps to comply with the orders of the CIC.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.